Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your controller and enabling support so Apex recognizes inputs immediately. Plug in via USB for minimal lag, or pair by Bluetooth if needed. Update the controller firmware and Windows drivers so sticks and triggers report correctly. Once done, open Steam Big Picture or the EA app and turn on controller support. Make sure Apex runs under that client or detects the device. This prevents mapping conflicts and lays the groundwork for in-game calibration and consistent aim behavior. You now tune Apex's controller settings to match how you want to play. Pick a preset as a baseline, then change horizontal and vertical sensitivity in small steps so you can predict recoil and turn speed. Adjust ADS multiplier and look acceleration for smoother aiming, lower dead zones for responsive sticks, or raise them if you have drift. Remap any buttons that feel awkward, and change aim assist strength to balance help without locking your aim. After each change, test in the firing range to verify. Finish by saving your controller profile and practicing in the firing range to internalize settings. Make sure Apex runs in exclusive full screen, aim for a steady frame rate like 60 to 144 FPS, and disable VSync to reduce input lag. These changes make your inputs feel tighter. Once satisfied, export or note your settings so you can restore them quickly. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reconnect the controller, reinstall drivers, and test with
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.